Welcome to SAM Official Tech. Discover powerful agricultural machines like the SIFA K67H and Hyson HY380 that enhance productivity and efficiency in farming. Stay tuned for the latest in farming tech. The Hydrema is a versatile agricultural machine, primarily used for soil cultivation and landscaping. It is designed to provide efficient transportation and handling of materials on farms, with a focus on precision and reduced soil compaction. The machine's unique design enables it to work effectively on uneven terrain, making it ideal for various agricultural tasks like land leveling and material movement. The Aussie's Mini Paddock is a compact agricultural machine designed for efficient land leveling and soil preparation. It is ideal for small to medium-sized farms, helping in the creation of smooth and even paddocks. The machine works by using adjustable paddles to break down clumps of soil, improving seedbed quality and ensuring optimal conditions for planting. The Caterpillar 345C is a heavy-duty excavator used in agriculture for land clearing and trenching. It features powerful hydraulics and a robust design, making it ideal for tough tasks on large farms. The RPG 2900 is an advanced agricultural machine designed for efficient land preparation. It is primarily used for plowing and tilling large fields. Equipped with high-performance hydraulics, it ensures uniform soil texture, promoting better crop growth. The RPG 2900's powerful engine and durable construction allow it to handle tough soil conditions, making it essential for modern farming operations. The Tybot Rebar Binding Robot is an innovative agricultural machine designed to automate the rebar binding process in construction, especially for farm infrastructure. It uses advanced robotics to quickly and efficiently tie rebar, reducing labor costs and improving precision. By automating this task, the Tybot increases productivity, ensuring faster construction of structures like barns, silos, and other farm buildings. The Bison EH/W200 is a versatile agricultural machine used for effective soil cultivation and tilling. It is designed to handle a variety of tasks, including plowing, harrowing, and seedbed preparation. With its powerful engine and robust build, the Bison EH/W200 ensures high performance and durability, making it ideal for large-scale farming operations requiring efficient soil management. The Avenir Deconstruction is an agricultural machine designed for the efficient dismantling of old structures and clearing of debris on farms. It features powerful hydraulics and attachments for handling heavy materials, making it ideal for farm renovation projects. The Dino DC420RI is a versatile agricultural machine designed for efficient tree cutting and land clearing. Equipped with a powerful engine and hydraulic system, it can handle tough tasks like removing trees and stumps. The machine's compact design allows it to operate in narrow spaces, making it ideal for clearing land in preparation for farming or construction projects. The Belardi UOS 155 is an agricultural machine designed for efficient soil preparation and cultivation. It is primarily used for plowing and tilling large fields, ensuring optimal soil structure for planting. With its robust engine and durable construction, the Belardi UOS 155 handles tough farming conditions. It enhances productivity by offering precise control, reducing labor costs, and improving crop yield. The Westtech Woodcracker C550 is a powerful forestry machine designed for efficient tree processing. It is mainly used for cutting, splitting, and cracking large logs in agricultural and forestry operations. With its robust hydraulic system, the Woodcracker C550 can handle heavy-duty tasks, ensuring quick and precise wood splitting. This machine is ideal for increasing productivity in wood-based farming and forestry projects. The Badeski is a heavy-duty agricultural machine used for material handling and transportation in farming operations. It is commonly used for bulk material like fertilizers, seeds, and soil. The machine's robust design and powerful conveyor system ensure efficient loading and unloading, increasing productivity. With its high capacity, the Badeski optimizes farm logistics, reducing labor and time for material management tasks. The F200C cutter for excavators is an attachment designed for excavators, used in agricultural and construction applications. It efficiently cuts through tough materials like tree roots, rocks, and soil. The F200C's powerful hydraulic system allows for precise cutting, making it ideal for land clearing and trenching tasks, improving work efficiency. The DAF225EX is an agricultural machine designed for efficient fieldwork, particularly for hauling and transportation tasks. It features a powerful engine and a durable chassis, making it ideal for transporting heavy loads like crops, equipment, and materials across farms. The DAF225EX ensures smooth operation even on rough terrains, enhancing productivity and reducing labor costs. The Kobelco SK140 SRD7 is a compact and powerful excavator designed for agricultural and construction tasks. It features a short-tail design, making it ideal for working in tight spaces. With advanced hydraulics and a strong engine, it performs efficiently in tasks like land clearing, trenching, and soil excavation, ensuring high productivity in various farming operations. The Senebogen 340G is a versatile material handler used in agriculture for tasks like lifting, sorting, and transporting heavy loads. Equipped with a powerful engine and precise hydraulics, it can efficiently handle various materials such as soil, crops, and equipment. Its robust design ensures durability, making it ideal for use in harsh farm environments and enhancing operational efficiency. The Kobot BOD23D is a cutting-edge 3D construction printer used in agriculture for building structures like greenhouses and farmhouses. It uses advanced technology to print durable, customized structures layer by layer, reducing construction time and costs. The BOD23D printer offers high precision, making it ideal for creating sustainable agricultural buildings with minimal labor and material waste. The Dazzini Giant Chain is a powerful agricultural machine used for large-scale land clearing and stump removal. It features a heavy-duty chain system that efficiently tackles tough terrain and removes obstacles like tree stumps and debris. The machine's robust design allows it to handle rugged conditions, improving farmland preparation and increasing productivity by reducing manual labor. The GDT290 is an agricultural machine designed for efficient soil preparation. It is used for tasks like plowing, tilling, and seedbed preparation. The CASAT7 is an advanced agricultural machine designed for efficient field preparation and soil cultivation. It is commonly used for tasks like tilling, plowing, and seedbed preparation. With its powerful engine and robust design, the CASAT7 ensures optimal soil conditions, improves crop yields, and enhances productivity on large-scale farms, making it essential for modern farming operations. Holzel GmbH is a manufacturer of high-performance agricultural machines, specializing in wood processing equipment. Their machines, such as wood chippers and stump grinders, are designed for efficient land clearing and forestry tasks. Holzel GmbH machines are known for their durability, power, and precision, helping improve productivity in agricultural and forestry operations. The Caterpillar 336DLN is a heavy-duty hydraulic excavator used in agriculture for land clearing, trenching, and material handling. With its powerful engine and advanced hydraulics, it can efficiently tackle tough soil conditions. The machine's versatility and durability make it ideal for large-scale farming operations, improving productivity and efficiency. The SLR150 is an agricultural machine designed for efficient soil preparation and land leveling. It is commonly used for tasks like plowing, tilling, and seedbed preparation. With its powerful engine and precise control, the SLR150 enhances farming efficiency, ensuring optimal soil conditions for better crop yield and productivity. The RT14R from Terramac is a versatile rubber track crawler carrier designed for tough agricultural and construction tasks. It features a powerful engine and durable tracks, making it ideal for transporting heavy loads across uneven terrain. The RT14R offers excellent stability and mobility, ensuring efficient operation in challenging environments like farms or construction sites. The Big Float is an agricultural machine designed for efficient land leveling and soil management. It features a large, wide float that evenly distributes weight, ensuring minimal soil compaction. The Big Float is ideal for preparing fields, especially in wet or soft soil conditions, enhancing crop growth and improving overall farming efficiency. The Genesis is an advanced agricultural machine designed for efficient soil cultivation and field preparation. It is commonly used for tasks like tilling, plowing, and seedbed preparation. With its robust design and powerful engine, the Genesis ensures optimal soil conditions, improving crop yield and enhancing overall farming productivity.